A person's addiction to drugs or medication is a disease that affects their brain and behavior, causing them to be unable to control the use of drugs or medication, whether they are legal or illegal. When you're addicted to a drug, you may continue to use it despite the harm it causes. Alcohol, marijuana, and nicotine are also drugs. There are a number of alcohol and drug rehabilitation centers in Proviso that can help treat individuals addicted to drugs or alcohol. We have listed the top 10 drug rehabilitation centers in Proviso. Number 10. Symmetria Recovery. There is a need for personalized medicine and care teams that truly care about patients. We are on a mission to revolutionize the way drug and alcohol issues are handled. Traditional treatment leaves too many patients with nothing. Number 9. Taking Control. A therapy private practice, Taking Control offers counseling services for individuals, couples, and families of all ages. Providing counseling and guidance assistance for individuals or the entire family as needed is our mission. They compassionately guide our clients to find solutions that work for them. Frequently encountered issues include substance abuse. Specific issues and problems are addressed and effective individual solutions are sought. Number 8. Human Resources Development Institute BRAS Medication-Assisted Treatment. Behavioral health and human service issues have been addressed by HRDI since 1974, expanding its service matrix. It is undoubtedly possible to find services that address your or a loved one's needs in the areas of prevention, intervention, treatment, mental health, substance abuse, and community health by calling HRD1 at 773-291-2500. Number 7. Lake County Health Department. Inpatient treatment for chemically dependent adults who are 18 and over in Illinois and require intervention to stop using alcohol and other drugs is available through the Addictions Treatment Program. Pregnant women and drug addicts will be prioritized at ATP. Clients will be referred to other needed service that ATP may not be able to provide. ATP also offers an outpatient continuing care group available to anyone recovering from addiction. Number 6. Abraxas Youth and Family Services. For youth, adults, and families, Abraxas provides residential, community-based, and in-home services. It was founded in 1973 in Marionville, Pennsylvania, with just one location and 30 clients. Abraxas Youth and Family Services provides a wide range of services to more than 6,500 youth, adults, and families every year. 48 years later, Abraxas continues to provide innovative, personalized, and collaborative services. Besides treatment, they offer behavioral health services, educational and vocational support, life skills training, family counseling, recreation, and community involvement. Number 5. Behavior Services Center. Integrative care is their specialty, which includes outpatient drug and alcohol treatment, intensive outpatient drug and alcohol treatment, partial hospitalization drug and alcohol treatment, medication-assisted treatment, outpatient detoxification, psychiatric treatment, counseling, therapy, and intensive mental health treatment. Number 4. BloomingtonNormal Treatment Center. Despite the increasing availability of treatment options across the continuum of care, addiction continues to grow in prevalence. In particular, opioid addiction or opioid use disorder has reached epidemic proportions due to overdose death. Prescription pain medications continue to be misused, while heroin and fentanyl use has dramatically increased, resulting in a public health crisis. Number 3. Bobby Blue and Noro Clinic Incorporated. Above all, they acknowledge that substance abuse is a medical condition that requires appropriate medical treatment. The participants are encouraged to participate in the treatment in an environment that protects their self-esteem and self-respect. Through the provision of respectful, high-quality medical care, the treatment program shall be responsible for maximizing each participant's human potential. Number 2. Center for Alc and Drug Services Incorporated. As a community-based substance abuse treatment program, CADS offers a wide range of substance abuse services aimed at supporting, caring for, and treating individuals and families of all ages. Number 1. Center for Addictive Problems. through the Illinois Association for Medication-Assisted Addiction Treatment, or IAMAAT. CAP is accredited by the Joint Commission, a member of the American Association for the Treatment of Opioid Dependence, or AATOD, as well as the Maine Association for the Treatment of Opioid Dependence, or MEATOD. We can help you find the right treatment center if you are searching for drug rehab in Proviso or alcohol rehab in Proviso. Our addiction treatment specialist can help you get started on the path to recovery. The first step usually involves medical supervision, followed by intensive therapy at one of these centers.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.